be in the booth like a nigga can't slow down. I be in the booth like a nigga can't slow down. Yeah, I be in the booth like a nigga. I be in the
Pascal cooking up.
I be in the booth like a nigga can't slow down. Watch every move cause these niggas like hoes now. Every step I take, that's where the money goes down. They be throwing shade, they want a nigga to glow down. Niggas loud mouth, but really they ain't got no sound. If I shoot my shot and I miss it, we get the rebound. Blood ain't always family, they close and want to take your team down. They gon' understand me, I gotta go put my feet down. I can never ever go back to broke. I can never ever trip out no hope. Slurring my words to young niggas so throat. Business, so pay what you owe. I can never ever go back to broke. I can never ever trip out no hope. Slurring my words to young niggas so throat. Business, so pay what you owe. Niggas just chillin' like a kickstand, withstand anything in life, and nigga don't do no bitch and distance. Myself from the fake, I don't need friends. Instead, I'ma get it back with no assistance. Money coming in, all I do is win. If I lose, I must be dead. Yeah, I can love again. She don't want a friend. All I wanted was some hit. Yeah, Tatiana, she gon' bust it down. Once I hit it from the back, she gon' keep coming around. I did it like an addict, got it bustin' automatic. If a nigga throw the setup, you know that it's going down. Nigga said on God, I don't trust that. If a nigga talking, we gon' bust back. City on my shoulders looking hunchback. I'ma pull up on you, make you bust back. I got money under my nose that I must have. I be in the booth like a nigga can't slow down. Watching every move cause these niggas like hoes now. Every step I take, that's where the money goes now. They be throwing shade, they want a nigga to glow down. Niggas loud mouth, but really they ain't got no sound. If I shoot my shot and I miss it, go get the rebound. Blood ain't always family, the close and won't take your team down. They gon' understand me, I gotta go put my feet down. I can never ever go back to broke. I can never ever trip out no hope. Slurring my words to young niggas so throat. Business, so pay what you owe. I can never ever go back to broke. I can never ever trip out no hope. Slurring my words to young niggas so throat. Business, so pay what you owe. Ain't no buying time by the watch. If a nigga want to fire, we gon' pull it, let it spark. I ain't never had to talk, you can see it in my walk. You don't want it with my dog, he don't turn you into chalk. From the bottom on the top, flow headed, piss at no pot. Don't give me, bring you so thoughtful. Paint your face like Picasso. Do this shit with my eyes closed, I don't see, keep my eyes low. Demons see you alive, so lie my money colossal. Yeah, know that I'm destined for show. In love with the money, can't strip out no hope. Ain't got no friends, been alone. Got me a check, now they act like I own. Got me a back with a roll, and niggas a bow when they shoot. I just want to talk, keep it cool. Look at the stars, is my roof. Toss you 10 bands, take your move. Ice on my night like the room. I be in the booth like a nigga can't slow down. Watching every move, cause these niggas like hoes now. Every step I take, that's where the money goes now. They be throwing shade, they want a nigga to glow down. Niggas loud mouth, but really they ain't got no sound. If I shoot my shot and I miss it, go get the rebound. Blood ain't always family, the close and won't take your team down. They gon' understand me, I gotta go put my feet down. I can never ever go back to broke. I can never ever trip out no hope. Slurring my words to young niggas so throat. Business, so pay what you owe. I can never ever go back to broke. I can never ever trip out no hope. Slurring my words to young niggas so throat. Business, so pay what you owe.
All these mood swings might break me. I can't sleep, my brain keeps on racing. Scared I won't survive. I've been losing sleep now. Take my time, I'll try when I fall back. I don't know what's going on now. Change my mind, I'll try when I want that. Take my time, I'll try when I fall back. Where my mind goes, I go psycho. I won't lie, I've been searching for something in the dark days. Demons coming closer. Try to find myself, I've been looking for some closure. How many times can I try? How many times will I fall again? I don't wanna make no one cry. Been hurting myself way too much. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I swallow my pride like the pills I'm taking. Swear all my life been too complacent. Just wanna be happier. All these mood swings might break me. I can't sleep, my brain keeps on racing. Scared I won't survive. I've been losing sleep now. Take my time, I'll try when I fall back. I don't know what's going on now. Change my mind, I'll try when I want that. Take my time, I'll try when I fall back. Dreams of fame and fortune, all I had at 17. There was a goal that I envisioned, gave it all of me. I made sacrifices to escape so I could finally be free. Grew up around domestic violence, gave me PTSD. I made a 7-figure salary at 23. Still feel like an underdog because the game don't notice me. That's alright with me because I never liked the spotlight. That's last time cause confusing interactions ever equal a life. You know the pain goes on and isolate myself. Relationships fall apart, would never date myself. And I've been wasting all my time on people that don't give me nothing, but all ask for something. Nirvana tatted on my arm, the panic tatted on my wrist. I made way too many tracks that they all wonder how I did, but they're never gonna learn it. I've been working since a kid. Little revive blowing up, but it's still urge to exist. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I swallow my pride like the pills I'm taking. Swear all my life been too complacent. Just wanna be happier. All these mood swings might break me. I can't sleep, my brain keeps on racing. Scared I won't survive. I've been losing sleep now. Take my time, I'll try when I fall back. I don't know what's going on now. Change my mind, I'll try when I want that. Take my time, I'll try when I fall back.
Beverlo got that sauce.
I don't get no fuss today. Gas pack strong, we rolling all the way. I don't wanna fall in love, but I'ma try it. Baby, if I fuck her, let me start her from the pilot. Let's play games, no rules. We wild and sun-kissed angels, shawty vibing. If I said I loved you, would you think that I was lying? I ain't playing games, I'm trying to take you to an island. You been on my mind, I wonder why you ain't beside. Yeah, switching lanes, I had to get her off me. Came in front of sadness, broken heart, I found my way around it. We can get away, let's go today and leave up in the mountains. Shit ain't been the same, don't go today and leave a nigga drowning, yeah. I just wanna drop top cool, them stars don't shine like you. Love scars don't yield, they bruise. I don't give a fuck. Pour another drink, I think this shit is filling up, yeah. I got what you need, but tell me, is it all enough, baby? Tell me what it might sometimes, I feel like I'm drugged like a dime sometimes. No juice, world lucid in my mind sometimes. Feeling stupid, loving you is like a crime sometimes, yeah. I be caught up in my mind, I be caught up in my mind, I be caught up in my mind. But I don't get no fuss today. Gas pack strong, we rolling all the way. I don't wanna fall in love, but I'ma try it. Baby, if I fuck her, let me start her from the pilot. Let's play games, no rules. We wild and sun-kissed angels, shawty vibing. If I said I loved you, would you think that I was lying? I ain't playing games, I'm trying to take you to an island. You been on my mind, I wonder why you ain't beside me. Rise up on me, bitches wanna lean. We smoking loud, you can hear my shit so stink. She's a sun-kissed angel, we vibing. Get that money, we thriving. Ain't no all that talking, throwing heads like money made. If I line a nigga up, then Rory coming with a fade. Fade don't lie so many niggas, RIP up on a grave. 333 up on my wrist, I find my demons every day. Like what you know about it, nigga, what you know? Even when I'm high, nigga, always feeling low. I done been through hell and back, I swear I've seen it all before. I remember all them nights when I ain't wanna live no more. Oh, yeah. She said, I'm falling off the deep end, I'm drowning. Shawty, you're my weakness. Two broken hearts, but we'll get around. But I don't get no fuss today. Gas pack strong, we rolling all the way. I don't wanna fall in love, but I'ma try it. Baby, if I fuck her, let me start her from the pilot. Let's play games, no rules. We wild and sun-kissed angels, shawty vibing. If I said I loved you, would you think that I was lying? I ain't playing games, I'm trying to take you to an island. You been on my mind, I wonder why you ain't beside me.
Seems like the come up is real. That's about living it up in the hills. Working this job cause it's paying my bills. Made a foundation I'm looking to build. Need all my wishes fulfilled. Turn all my dreams to reality. No more just chasing the fantasy. Coming for everything. Looking back down from a balcony. Thank God we stuck to this tragedy. I kept it clear with the vision. They just been lacking ambition. Things change, people change. I had to deal with transition. See that these rappers go missing. Never aborted the mission. Gotta go get it, no stopping. Failure just wasn't an option. option. I wasn't made for a 9 to 5. I wasn't built for that type of life. I've been the underdog on the rise, chasing my dreams every single night. Got uncontrollable hunger pains. I got a monstrous appetite. Seems like I'll never be satisfied. I'm always getting another bite. I've been the man for the job. You got the night at the interview. They didn't think I was capable. Knew I was born for this right, but they cut the umbilical. All of these rappers the same. Swear that I didn't go. Fuck what they play on the radio. I used to sit all alone in the studio, pray for a miracle. Now everything looking beautiful. Hell and back, I've been through it. Took all the chances they wouldn't. They loving the way that I do it. Always been room for improvement. Please don't you give me a reason. I get it all when they sleeping. Work every day was the weekend. Told them it's almighty season. Hell and back, I've been through it.